Back here, taking a look at Rndr. Okay, we have this 4-hour resistance line. This thing is just starting to break out of it. All right, we'll have to take a look at some resistance levels here for this thing, but it is just starting to break out of this line. Had a fake out up here, got rejected down pretty hard. Okay, but looks like this thing has bottomed out here. All right, now if we zoom out on this chart, you can see it was following this trend line up here pretty nicely, and then it ended up breaking down out of it. Okay, up here now, if we look at something here, because it looks like this thing is bottomed. All right, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right there. All right, then we ended up rolling back up in here for wave 6, and we had a final flush down for wave 7 right there. Right, so I believe this thing uh, has definitely been beat down, and possibly it looks like it's bottomed out right here. All right, so we're gonna, right here was the support that it ended up on with that 7th wave down. We're gonna put a yellow line there because I believe this thing. Whoops, there goes veracity taking off. I've been waiting for that thing to go here. All right, so it looks like this thing's ready to go. It looks like a lot of things are ready to go in the market. If we look at the bubbles here, you can see a lot of stuff turning green. All right, starting to get some nice gainers out there. Comp up 15, Solana, Cospa, love Cospa, Pulsex. Got a lot of stuff starting to move. So market's looking good. Bitcoin itself, Bitcoin is up 340 bucks. That thing is finally starting to move. That's great to see. I believe we're going to have some major price movement for sure in this market. I think things are ready to go. The daily RSI for Rndr is right at the bottom. That's where you want to see it, oversold, bullish. I don't know if we have a weekly. Yeah, the weekly is at the bottom. That's great. This thing could really, the weekly is where you get your really nice moves out of. All right, you can see here, we went from, what was it, 32 cents by the time this thing was done up to 291 on the weekly. This thing hasn't been reset since last June, a year ago. Okay, this is the weekly chart, so could have a pretty nice move coming up in this thing. All right, got, like I said, we got the weekly reset, we got the daily at the bottom, we got the 12-hour just starting up here. It's at a 40 and a 37. All right, so be ready for a big move out of Rndr. Got the 8-hour about halfway up. Look at this thing. Look at it. It's just starting to break that resistance as I'm doing this video. Beautiful. Just going to get it out to you guys. And if you like longing and shorting the market, I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but I enjoy it. You know, this might not be a bad one here. Stop loss, and you know, we'll have to see what happens with this thing. But there's a link in the description of the video. All you need is an email and a password to sign up. Love it over there. You don't get all wicked out all the time. So use the link, please, and go over and check it out. But Rndr's getting ready to move here. First stop might be up at right around $1.81.5, and after that should be heading up into the $1.90s. So be ready for this thing. It's starting to go right now. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm gonna get this video out. Have a great day.